Excellency, across the border. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congrats. Mr. President, good night, sir.
Good night, or whatever is good about it. I'm seeing. So how are you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice.
I just finished a brief meeting with Mr. President. I'm here to say thank you, especially for his intervention. We all knew what was happening in River State, the political tension in River State, and if he had not intervened timely, nobody knows what would have happened in the state. And for me, it was saving the situation. I'm here after the lifting of the suspension to appreciate him and to also tell him we're ready to hit the ground running. For the state, I believe that my coming back after the lifting of the suspension is a new and stronger hope for our people, because the government is a government about the people, it's a government that believes in peace. So our working is not just for the people, but also with all the parties, the assembly members, the National Assembly members, elders, everybody this time around are working for the betterment of our dear states.